Pahadi Dal. We'll start with mustard oil, let it heat up. And then you can add the dry red chilies, 3. We'll add 1 teaspoon of Jeera, cumin seeds. And 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, rye. We'll add 1 teaspoon of ginger and 1 teaspoon of garlic. Make sure that the ginger and garlic is finely cut or minced. Add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder or Haldi. This is a great immunity booster. Add Dhania powder, which is the coriander powder. And this is optional. You can also add red chili powder, a teaspoon. Add Dhania or coriander. You can add this dry or fresh. Sometimes when the fresh is not available, you can use the dry cilantro. Now add 1.5 cups yogurt and just stir continuously so that it doesn't curdle. Keep stirring it. Let it come to a boil. You can add the dal at this stage. Add 1 cup of dal that has been soaked overnight and then cooked, just boiled. Now if the dal is looking a little bit thick as you're cooking it, just add a little water so that it's not too thick. Now you can take some salt in a bowl and you can take about 2 teaspoons of salt and then add mustard powder in there. And to do this you can grind your mustard seeds till it's finely ground and add a teaspoon of this mustard powder into the salt and then add some mustard oil and mix it all together. And then add that mixture to your cooking. And now the dal is ready. You can garnish with cilantro.